Hello, I'm Martin, and this is my review on the ProFit starter set. Comes this handy little box, obviously, keep it all together, which is good. And then inside you've got the two bits there, and then sort of the auger bit for it. This one here clips on the end of there, like that. Well, it's in position, it's not going anywhere. Now they sort of claim that it will save you time, and that with the quick release, you pull back like that, it should sort of get the piece of wood out the middle quite quickly. 9 times out of 10, yes, it probably does do that, but I have found it does get stuck quite often as well, to be honest. I also find that it's, in comparison to obviously the old sort of HSS, you know, the sort of, well, they're for cutting metal really, but I've always used them for cutting wood. This one here seems to split the wood a bit. It's not quite as tidy as what they claim it to be. But overall, yeah, it's quite a decent little sort of item. Would it save you much time? Probably not, I would say. Sort of a handy addition to have in the toolbox, but I don't genuinely think it's an essential. Like I say, in terms of, yeah, you might save some time, but I don't think you're going to get as clean a cut from it. So yeah, that's about it really. Thank you.